Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out today. We are going to be unboxing try-on style the June Boxycharm. Inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items for $25 a month. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. I received this yesterday and was really intrigued at what was inside the box. This was sent to me from Boxycharm, just a little FYI, but you guys know here on my channel, 100% honest with you. If I don't like an item, if it doesn't work out for me, I always let you know. Did also take a little sneak peek because I wanted to make sure that we could actually curate a look using the items in the box. So, let's go ahead and open it. This month, right off the bat, they included a postcard. At least now I can read a little bit about the product as well as the retail value of each of the items. This month's theme is called the Oasis, and I have variation 42 just for reference. Start right off the bat with the one that's all bubble wrapped. Touch and Soul, it's Fill Up Orange. Okay, let's kind of check it out. Ooh, Fill Up eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. We have some shimmers, we have some mattes. I mean, does this palette not scream summer? And this glitter. Oh my goodness. These shadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. And this retails for $32. I'm all about those warm tone shadows and I love me some oranges. Next we have in here, this is from the brand Laura Geller. It's called the Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. Cream to Powder Trio. Let you have the first look at this. And here we go. This is what the palette looks like. Cream to Powder Face Palette includes 2 finishes, Demi Matte and Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. Goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. And this retails for $24. Honestly, not the best when it comes to any cream products, but I'm willing to give it a try. Didn't wear any bronzer today because I wanted to see how these products would work, and I think this will work well as a bronzer. Next in the box is from the brand First Aid Beauty, and this is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. Contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microderm abrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. And this retails for $18. Not bad. I'm definitely going to have to update you in a monthly favorites and let you know how this works out, but still, it's a full-size product, right? This is from the brand Lily Lashes. I've never tried anything from Lily Lashes. This is the Triple X Mascara in black. I like that packaging. Let's check out the wand. Let's see. A nice fluffy wand. An extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. And this retails for $24. We have here a duo from the brand Cab, and it says Kim Ariana Brielle. We have the shade Charming. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. Here's a lip liner in Charming. Beautiful. Lip gloss, also in Charming. That's a fat wand. Ooh, that is pretty. It's definitely a little bit more on the rosy side. It smells like cupcakes to me. This vanilla It's vanilla, not cupcake. The vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own, and this retails for $40. Let's check out these products, see how they perform, then I'll be back for my final thoughts. Gotta say, I'm really excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. I'm a huge fan of just warms and oranges. It has a little slip cover which tells the names of each of the shadows. I kind of wish it was written on the palette because I already know I'm gonna lose this one. Just to let you know, I already primed my eyes with some concealer and then set it with some powder. So we're gonna start with Affogato, which is this medium tone brown. I'm going to use this as our transition color.
Super duper fly girl, all up on his arm, sunshine every single day.
Dip into a bit of Tarte, which is also a matte shadow. Let's see how this swatches. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's just kind of work this right into the socket area just to intensify the color. It's nicely pigmented, right? We didn't even use a lot of the product and you get beautiful color payoff. This is the first time I've tried out any of the shadows from Touch in Sol. Further, just blow out these edges with a clean, fluffy brush. Let's go in with this shadow called Espresso. It's a shimmer. Very pretty, and we're just gonna put this right onto the outer corners of the eye. I don't know about this brush. Let's actually use a small, firm eyeshadow brush to really pack on the color a little bit more. Then let's go ahead and just blend out these edges a little bit more. For the remainder of the lid, it's between Cheerful and Study Break. Cheerful's right up here, and then we have Study Break at the bottom. Cheerful and then Study Break, they are very similar. Let's get a flat brush and pick up Cheerful. Place this right onto the empty space on the lid. Then let's go back in with Espresso, the shimmery dark brown, and want to feather that right into Cheerful. Let's pick up a bit of glitter glue right in the center. Let's quickly pick up Caution Hot, pack it all over that area, wherever we place the glitter glue. Pick up a little bit more of Cheerful, and then go over this area right here because we want it to gradiate. Take a little bit more of Coffee, right onto this outer corner. I think this is pretty good. Let's take off the tape. Thankfully, it turned out okay. I was a little bit nervous there when I saw the glitter. So let's try out the Lily Lashes mascara. Curious if this is waterproof, but it didn't say anything, so I'm assuming it's not. But it lengthened, it volumized. I'm still gonna apply some false lashes. So I popped on some lashes, and now we're just gonna finish up the eyes. For the inner eye corners, I'm thinking let's just go in with a bit of brown sugar to brighten up this eye area. For the lower lash line, let's go back into Affogato and Tarte. We're just gonna drag this right along the lower lash line.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
Now we're gonna give the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette a try. This is the one I was a little bit scared of just because it's a cream to powder formula. We're going to use the middle shade, which is called Coconut Grove. Bring back some life to the face because I'm looking kind of pale. You know what? That looks pretty nice, to be honest. So let's give the blush a try, and this one is in the shade Tuscan Coral. For the highlight, we will be using a Golden Dust. That looks pretty too. Ooh, it's more of like a subtle highlight. And line the lips with the Cab Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Charming. Then let's go over with the matching gloss in Charming. So here's the look we ended up curating using the items from the June BOXYCHARM. And I gotta admit, I love the way how it turned out. I had my doubts with the eyes. I wasn't sure how it would look in the end, but I think collectively, everything just kind of works well together. So let's kind of do a little recap on the items, and I'll let you know like my thoughts on them. On the Touch in Sol Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette, I already know I'm going to be using this palette a ton this summer. If you're going to use this pressed glitter, highly recommend you use some sort of glitter glue so that it really sticks on. And this glitter, it's not going anywhere. Very impressed with the pigmentation, the way how the shadows blended out. We did have some fallout with the shadow called Coffee, but it really wasn't a problem. I just kind of dusted it off with a brush. The Lily Lashes mascara lengthened and volumized. It also coated my lashes with a lot of pigment. So I'm really curious though to see if this is waterproof, just because it's summer. I'm going to be sweating, so I just don't want my mascara to be running, but I will update you in a future video. Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. Laura Geller products in general, from my experience, since I do have a couple of them, are wonderful. Have to say, this palette did not disappoint. I was very, very skeptical because I am not a fan of like cream to powder formulas when it comes to bronzer, blush, highlight. Yes, glad that this product changed my mind, and it's definitely going to be in rotation. The lip pencil and lip gloss from Cab Cosmetics. Wow. Let me just say, the pigmentation on this blew my mind. It's gorgeous. This is a color that I know is going to be like a staple in my bag. It's definitely not sticky. It feels smooth and it just feels so great on the lips, and I love the color. As for the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, we'll update you at the end of the month in the monthly favorites video and just kind of give you a rundown on how the product worked out for me. But for $25, this box exceeded my expectations. Extremely happy with the items in the June box. So I'm curious to know what was in your June BOXYCHARM. Did we receive the same items? Did we get completely different things? Love to know what you guys ended up getting. I love chatting with you in the comments. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found the video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.